Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log out of your Minion Rush account. Minion Rush doesn't currently offer a direct logout option within the game, so you will need to clear out the app's data from your mobile devices. If you have logged into Minion Rush with Facebook, then you can disconnect your Facebook account from Minion Rush. To do so, tap Open Minion Rush application and make sure it starts. From the main homepage of Minion Rush, click on the settings icon or the gear icon at the top right hand corner. Now, select Connectivity from the top. If you see the Log Out button appearing inside the Networks tab, simply tap on it to disconnect with one of your account that is connected with Minion Rush. To disconnect Minion Rush with Facebook, tap on Log Out right next to Facebook. You can also clear out the app's data from your Android device, or if you're using iOS, go to your settings menu from iOS device, scroll down and tap on General, tap on iPhone storage and select Minion Rush from the display. Tap on Offload app or Delete app, whichever option you choose. You will need to reinstall your application again, and soon after you do that, you will be able to log out of Minion Rush. So those were some of the methods you can log out of Minion Rush. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.